In the realm of male health, one topic often stirs curiosity: prostate congestion. Imagine a scenario where daily habits shape the health of an essential gland. What if something as common as masturbation holds the key to preventing discomfort? Many men don't realize that frequent ejaculation can actually play a crucial role in maintaining prostate health. As the body processes sexual activity, it triggers a series of responses that benefit the prostate, potentially reducing congestion. Yet, there's more to this than meets the eye. How does this daily routine impact long-term health? Picture this: a simple act, often shrouded in stigma, could pave the way for a healthier future. What techniques can men employ to ensure optimal prostate function? Stay tuned as we unravel the science behind these strange changes and explore practical tips to promote a healthy flow. In a world where knowledge is power, understanding prostate health is essential. So, let's dive into the fascinating connection between daily habits and prostate well-being, keeping your health in check while dispelling myths along the way. The journey to better health starts now. Mechanisms of prostate congestion. Prostate congestion occurs when the prostate gland becomes engorged with blood or fluid, leading to discomfort or various health issues. This condition can be influenced by several factors, including hormonal changes, age, and lifestyle choices. A common cause is the lack of regular ejaculation, which can lead to a buildup of fluids in the prostate. When the prostate isn't emptied regularly, it can become swollen, causing pressure and pain. Understanding these mechanisms can help men take proactive steps to maintain their prostate health. Another factor contributing to prostate congestion is inflammation. Conditions like prostatitis can cause the prostate to become irritated and swollen, exacerbating the congestion. Additionally, sedentary lifestyles can also play a role. When men spend long periods sitting, blood circulation to the pelvic area can be restricted, leading to congestion. Identifying these triggers is key to finding effective solutions and promoting better prostate health. Diet also plays a significant role in prostate health. A diet high in fatty foods and low in fruits and vegetables may increase the risk of developing prostate issues, including congestion. On the other hand, a balanced diet rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids can reduce inflammation and promote better circulation. Understanding the dietary factors that affect prostate health can empower men to make healthier choices. Moreover, stress can contribute to prostate congestion. Chronic stress leads to hormonal imbalances that may affect prostate function. Learning stress management techniques, such as exercise and mindfulness, can be beneficial. By addressing both physical and emotional health, men can mitigate the risk of prostate congestion. Finally, regular checkups with a healthcare provider are essential for monitoring prostate health. Early detection of potential issues can prevent more serious conditions from developing. By being proactive and informed about the mechanisms behind prostate congestion, men can take steps to protect their health. Ejaculation and prostate health. The relationship between ejaculation frequency and prostate health is an important topic. Studies have shown that regular ejaculation may help reduce the risk of prostate congestion. This is because ejaculation helps to clear out fluids that can build up in the prostate, preventing swelling and discomfort. Many health experts recommend that men aim for regular ejaculation as a part of their routine to support prostate health. Research has indicated that men who ejaculate more frequently may have a lower risk of developing prostate cancer. One study found that men who ejaculated at least 21 times a month had a significantly reduced risk compared to those who ejaculated less frequently. This suggests that ejaculation not only relieves congestion but may also have protective effects against more serious conditions. Understanding the mechanics behind this connection is crucial. During ejaculation, the prostate contracts, promoting better blood flow and helping to flush out potentially harmful substances. This natural process aids in maintaining overall prostate health. Men can benefit from being aware of how regular ejaculation can be a simple yet effective way to support their well-being. Moreover, cultural and social factors can influence how often men engage in sexual activity or masturbation. For some, societal pressures may limit their comfort in discussing or practicing regular ejaculation. Open conversations about sexual health can help normalize these practices and encourage healthier habits. In conclusion, recognizing the positive impact of regular ejaculation on prostate health can empower men to take control of their well-being. By incorporating this practice into their lives, they may significantly enhance their prostate health and reduce the risk of congestion and related issues. Physical benefits of daily masturbation. Daily masturbation can have several physical benefits, particularly when it comes to prostate health. Engaging in this practice may help reduce inflammation in the prostate, as regular ejaculation allows for the expulsion of fluids that can accumulate and cause discomfort. This natural process can promote a healthier prostate and prevent potential issues from developing. Furthermore, masturbation can improve blood circulation in the pelvic area. When blood flow is improved, it can help in maintaining the health of the prostate and surrounding tissues. Adequate blood circulation is crucial because it ensures that the prostate receives the necessary nutrients and oxygen, aiding in its proper function. Additionally, daily masturbation can also serve as a form of stress relief. Physical pleasure and release can lead to the release of endorphins, which can alleviate feelings of anxiety and improve mood. Reduced stress levels can positively impact overall health, including prostate health. By managing stress through masturbation, men can contribute to their well-being holistically. There is also a psychological aspect to consider. Men who engage in daily masturbation often report feeling more in tune with their bodies, leading to greater awareness of their sexual health. This awareness can encourage them to seek medical advice when needed, promoting proactive health management. Overall, the physical benefits of daily masturbation extend beyond mere pleasure. By understanding and embracing these benefits, men can make informed decisions that support their prostate health and overall well-being. Impact of masturbation on psychological health. Masturbation isn't just a physical act, it also has a significant impact on mental health. Many people find that engaging in this activity can lead to feelings of relaxation and stress relief. When a person masturbates, the brain releases endorphins, which are chemicals that promote feelings of happiness and well-being. This release can help combat anxiety or depression, making it an important aspect of self-care. Moreover, the act of masturbation can enhance body awareness and self-acceptance. For many, exploring one's own body can lead to a better understanding of personal desires and preferences. This self-exploration can foster a more positive body image and boost confidence, which indirectly benefits overall emotional health. Feeling good about oneself is vital for maintaining mental well-being. Additionally, masturbation can serve as a safe outlet for sexual tension. In times of stress or frustration, it can help individuals manage their feelings without the complications that come with sexual relationships. This can be particularly important for those who might be experiencing difficulties in their romantic or sexual lives. By providing a private way to release pent-up tension, masturbation can play a crucial role in emotional regulation. However, it's essential to consider moderation. While masturbation can be beneficial, excessive engagement may lead to feelings of guilt or shame, especially if it becomes an escape from underlying emotional issues. Striking a balance is key. Individuals should feel free to explore their sexuality while also being mindful of their mental health needs. In summary, the psychological effects of masturbation are multifaceted. It can boost mood, enhance self-esteem, and provide a healthy outlet for stress. Understanding these benefits helps to illuminate the connection between mental health and prostate health, as a positive mental state can contribute to better overall well-being. Techniques for masturbation for prostate health. When it comes to maximizing the benefits of masturbation for prostate health, certain techniques can be particularly effective. One common method involves focusing on the prostate area during the act. This can be achieved through gentle pressure applied to the perineum or direct stimulation of the prostate itself, which can enhance pleasure and promote blood flow to the area. Experimenting with different positions is another way to optimize the experience. Certain angles can make it easier to apply pressure to the prostate, allowing for deeper stimulation. Whether lying on one's back or experimenting with standing or sitting positions, finding what feels best can lead to a more satisfying experience that supports prostate health. Incorporating the use of lubricants can also enhance the experience. A good lubricant can reduce friction, making the process more enjoyable and comfortable. This is particularly important if one is focusing on extended sessions that aim to promote prostate health. Choosing the right lubricant can transform the experience and encourage frequent engagement. Another technique involves varying the frequency and intensity of stimulation. Some may find that slower, more deliberate movements are beneficial, while others might prefer a faster pace. Listening to one's body and adjusting techniques accordingly can maximize pleasure and health benefits. This personalized approach can contribute to a healthier prostate. Finally, mindfulness during masturbation can also be beneficial. Paying attention to sensations and focusing on the experience can enhance pleasure and connection to one's body. This practice not only promotes relaxation but can also create a more fulfilling experience that positively impacts both mental and physical health. By exploring these techniques, individuals can harness the benefits of masturbation for their prostate health effectively. Relationship between diet and prostate health. Diet plays a crucial role in maintaining prostate health. Certain foods can either promote or hinder the well-being of this vital gland. For instance, diets rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are known to provide essential nutrients that support prostate function. Foods high in antioxidants, like tomatoes and berries, can help combat oxidative stress, which is beneficial for prostate health. Moreover, incorporating healthy fats, such as those found in fish and nuts, can have a positive impact. Omega-3 fatty acids, in particular, have anti-inflammatory properties that may reduce the risk of prostate issues. On the other hand, excessive consumption of red meat and processed foods can lead to inflammation and other health problems, which may negatively affect the prostate. Combining a healthy diet with regular practices, such as masturbation, can enhance overall prostate health. The act of masturbation has been shown to improve circulation and reduce congestion, which, when paired with a nutritious diet, can lead to optimal prostate function. This synergy could contribute to a lower risk of prostate-related conditions. It's also essential to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help flush out toxins from the body, including those that may impact prostate health. Additionally, certain herbs and supplements, like saw palmetto and green tea, may support prostate health and should be considered in conjunction with dietary choices. In summary, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, combined with lifestyle practices, can significantly influence prostate health. Making conscious food choices allows individuals to take an active role in maintaining their prostate well-being. Medical considerations and consultations. When it comes to prostate health, seeking medical advice is crucial, especially if any symptoms arise. Regular checkups can help catch potential issues early. Men should feel empowered to discuss their prostate health openly with healthcare providers, as early detection can lead to better outcomes. Consulting a doctor becomes increasingly important as men age. Conditions such as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, or prostate cancer can develop, and understanding when to seek help can make a difference. If a man experiences changes in urination, persistent pain, or other unusual symptoms, it's wise to schedule an appointment. Additionally, healthcare professionals can offer guidance on how masturbation fits into a preventive care routine. While masturbation is often viewed as a normal behavior, discussing its role with a doctor can provide reassurance and understanding of its benefits for prostate health. In some cases, doctors may suggest specific tests or screenings based on individual risk factors, family history, or lifestyle. These evaluations can give men a clearer picture of their prostate health and inform them about necessary lifestyle adjustments, including diet and sexual health practices. Overall, being proactive about prostate health through medical consultations can lead to better awareness and management of potential issues. Following up with a healthcare provider allows men to stay informed and take charge of their well-being. As we wrap up today's discussion, it's crucial to remember the key points we uncovered about prostate health and daily masturbation. Regular ejaculation can be a game changer, not just for pleasure, but for your overall well-being. Have you considered how often you engage in this practice? Each time you do, you're potentially reducing the risk of prostate congestion. Now, think about the long-term effects. How might your health improve with consistent habits? It's about more than just the moment. It's about building a healthier future. Plus, with the techniques we shared, you can actively promote proper flow and maintain your prostate's vitality. But here's a thought. Are there any misconceptions about masturbation that you've come across? Let's challenge those ideas together. Engaging with your health is essential, and understanding your body is the first step. So, what will you take away from this video? Will you make any changes to your routine? Remember, knowledge is power, and every small step counts toward a healthier you. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and most importantly, keep caring for your body. Your prostate will thank you,